Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so I do want to go over today what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Today's gonna be a great day. And one second here, I do want to pull up the live stream. Gonna pull up the other chat too as well. And then I will tell the team members we're on live now. So one second here, one second. Good to see you guys. Good morning, good morning. TikTok live now at everyone. Alright, so yeah, just told the team members we're on live, and honestly today, looking for a few day trades, and then yeah, a couple swings as well. So I do want to start on, let's see. Let's go to the Qs and then we'll go to Tesla. All these other trades too as well. So yeah, one second here. I do need to leave that. Let's go to the Qs. Let's go to Tesla. AMZN. A couple of these trades. Yo, good morning guys. Really appreciate it. All tuning back in. So let's see. Yo, Jose, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. So yeah, pretty much today going to be the same thing, looking for the same play, pretty much. I do want to go down to a lower time frame and then work my way even further down. So I do see this 2 hour. I do want to go to a possible 1 hour and try to break this down. All right, so same thing. This is what I see here. This is what I like. You know, each trade in our Discord is going to be exactly the same. 1 second here. Let's see. All right. So as of right now, if we do want to continue up, I do see this. We do have a nice bottom box, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here, and as you can see, all right, so we break above this wall here. We potentially could, you know, go up to this 636 area. So I get it, small move. This is, you know, nothing crazy that I would chase into, since it's, you know, a very small move and it looks like it's going to happen pre-market possibly. But what I also like, and yes, same thing, same exact thing, guys and gals. What is also under us? So yes, there's empty space here. Looks like it's trying to go up and tap into there. We can clearly see that, clear as day. But I don't care about that. I'm looking at this. So obviously you can see, you know, another live example of a play happening right before market opens. But yeah, still same thing. What did I see? What looked good to me? We had this empty space. We broke above the wall. We go up to there. But I'm not really worried about that right now, since it's already happening. What I'm looking at is under us. So let's take a look here. As we're hitting that first TP. Yo, Sky Guy, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. So you can easily see same exact thing, each and every trade. I get it. Little small move there. We end up breaking above our POTTERBOX. Our top wall, we go up and we tap. But screw that right now. Let's go down here. So yes, we do have this clear move up here as well, or clear move up, no consolidation here, and you can see there's no red candles interfering. This is what I would want to the downside. And yeah, as you can see, clear as day. What is this? Right under us, you can easily see, yes, we break under this bottom wall here. I don't see any resistance down until, let's see, this red candle here, which honestly looks really, really good. So as of right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing. I'm just going to wait and see if we can break it down below. So if we can, looks good, looks great. But as you can see, that first move ended up happening there. But I'm just going to get rid of this since that's pretty much on there as well. Oh wow, fire. Alright, yeah, we'll keep on going. Let's see here. So that is on, what, Tesla. And, of course, yo, Jeff, what's up, man? Can I look at SPY, targets? Ben, thanks for the follows. And Google, yeah, no worries. Alright, yeah, I'm going to write all this down. I have my pin here as well. Alright, so, 1 second here. And, yeah, that's on Tesla, obviously. Another little box there. So if we can continue to break above this top wall, we do have more empty space here, which honestly looks great, looks good, but just going to see how everything plays out. So we'll see how that plays out, that turns out. So yeah, that's on Tesla. Obviously looks like we're trying to tap into there, which we currently already did. All right, so now let's keep on moving. That's what I'm seeing. QQQ. We'll take a look. Let's see. TGT. All right. Yeah, we'll pull that up as well. SPY. Then we'll pull up what? Let's see. Google. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. All right, so as of right now for the Qs, I feel the same way about it that I did, what, just yesterday. And yes, you can easily see what each play is exactly the same. You can see what we did yesterday. Boom, the day before, the day before or Friday, you can see each play is going to be exactly the same. We don't change literally anything at all. So you can, also see, the other members or whatever. But I wanted this yesterday. I will be completely honest. This is what I won yesterday, but we were still inside of this consolidation zone. So, what, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. So, we do have an area of consolidation, and we are pretty much in consolidation. So, yesterday, what happened? We pretty much just went back and forth, doing absolutely nothing. I had this play ready. I wanted it, but we could not get it. And, I'm not going to rush into anything. All that I'm seeing is if we can get that clear break, I do like this upside, which honestly doesn't look bad. But yeah, as for yesterday, I wanted this. But we're still in this consolidation area. And you can see these candles going back and forth. I don't want to be in any type of position when it's doing this. So, and yes, I'm only showing you the charts, not showing you anything else. So, if we're in consolidation, I don't take the trade. If we break outside of consolidation, we take the trade. And yeah, we ended up taking that to the downside. You can see how we pretty much called out the setups. And you can see, the aftermath of that little play there. So yeah, same thing. I'm not going to do anything, not going to touch it. We'll keep going. Or at least not right now. Let's see. The markets feel so iffy right now. So I will be honest. There was a little bit of chop yesterday. But if that's the case, then yeah, personally I just don't get into anything and just wait. So holding my 180 AMD. So yeah, I'll definitely take a look at AMD. Yeah, no worries. And yes, give me 1 second. I need to get my charger for my MacBook and my phone. So yeah, I'll be right back. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free version or the VIP. Honestly, just join the free chat if you want. See how you like it. But yes, 1 second here, guys. 1 second. All right, so yeah, I'm here. Gonna plug this in really quickly. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can clutch this up. All right, yeah, we clutched it up. We're good. And then my MacBook. Let's see if I can plug this in. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So pretty much we're just getting ready, getting started. Anyways, so yeah, for SPY, let's take a look here. And yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. What I can see here. So that 2 hour looks good. Let me see this 1 hour too as well. All right, if I was going to take this one on this 1 hour, and same thing for SPY, same thing with the Qs and SPY. Yesterday, in a bit of chop, I told the members, I get it. Yes, it looks great, looks good, but I'm not taking anything on that if we're in consolidation. You can even ask the members. We don't just get into random entries just because we feel like it. But yeah, right now, I seen this clear push up, no consolidation. What I want is, if we can, and yeah, that's only if we can do it. I would love to see if we can get this nice break under this bottom wall, down into this empty space here. So nice red candle. So this is where I don't see any resistance. This is what I would want to this downside. As you can see, yes, we're still in this big area of consolidation going back and forth. I could care less about it. I would only care if we can get that nice break under. So yeah, from the entry exit, middle of the move, we have the imbalance, which is there. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on SPY, which doesn't look too bad. Also, what do you use to trade, like what website? So yeah, I'm using TradingView, how I go over all of my analysis. Obviously, you could connect your brokers and do that. But yes, I use Webull, TradeStation, things of that sort. Can I look at RR? Yeah, no worries. PANW. Yo, Monica, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so we did the Qs. We got to go over what? Let's see. RR. We got to go over Google, Target. All right, yeah, we'll go over that. AMD as well. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades. And yes, all the trades inside of our Discord is going to be the same. Doesn't matter. Empty space. We break outside of our POTTERBOX. We end up taking those entries. Obviously, yeah, if we have to get stopped out, if I have to get stopped out, that's fine. But you can see, once we do get those trades, what we pretty much end up doing on those. You can see whether they're day trades or swing trades. And obviously, yes, we had, what, 1 day trade yesterday, and then we ended up chopping. But yeah, we had a nice swing as well. And you can see, you know, what the other members are saying too as well. And yeah, if the plays work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine. We'll get stopped out. Then I can find that re-entry. You can also see best week I've had in a while. But yeah, we'll keep on going though. Alright, so Target. I will be honest. Alright, so earnings is on this one, what? Let's see. Hold on, 1 second here. So that's tomorrow before open. I will be honest, I still feel the same way about it. So 1 second here. Yo, Jose, yo, thanks so much. Appreciate the comment, man. Really appreciate it. Yo, Joe, what's up? Yeah, I got you with HD. Monica, thanks for pulling up as well. Yeah, we'll go over PNW. Well, yeah, we'll go over all these trades. I get it, yes. We still have this empty space here. You know, it looks good. It looks great. This is what I would want to that upside. Personally, I would love a regular entry above. But if we, you know, somehow can get above, I do like that empty space to this upside. So that's what I'm seeing, especially if we get that 108 break. All right, so that's on Target. Let's go to PANW. I also want to look at, hold on, I'm going to pull up one more chat here. I want to take a look at Open too. Let's see where we're at too. So yeah, Open is, wow, Open's doing really good. Nice. All right, so anyways, let's go over PANW. We'll go over a couple trades too as well. Yeah, Open is doing good. It's doing great. All right, so PANW, and yes, we look for the same play pretty much every single day. honestly, you know, it looks like we ended up targeting to this empty space. What? Okay. So, what I can see here, yes, we had the empty space. Cool, great. We ended up breaking above, targeting into that empty space here. And as you can see, yes, we do have clear move down, no consolidation. If we can continue, I do like that 204. Let's see that first TP though. Let's see. So it looks like it hasn't hit yet. But if we can, I do like that 191. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. That's pretty much it. Yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good to see you. Honestly, yeah, I feel like it's going to be a great day. So we had a great day yesterday, even though we were in chop, and you guys seen it too. You guys and gals seen it too. Obviously, we had RBLX, did, you know, amazing on that. And then we had a nice little Tesla play. I actually posted a video of me getting in and out of that trade. But yeah, you can see how we pretty much call out setups. And if they hit, cool. If they don't hit, that's fine. You can see also yesterday what one member did there on a swing. Tried a fast Roddy too as well. All right, so now let's keep going. PANW, got to do AMD, RR. I mean, yeah, like I said, let's just go ahead and break this down. And then we'll start fresh. Can I look at TTD? Yes, sir, I can. No worries. All right, so what looks good? Hold on, let's see. My MDT puts hit fire. All right, so yeah, as of right now, let's see. Let's go to a possible 4 hour. I don't know. I will be honest with you guys. You know, this is what I would wait for. I get it, a little bit more empty space above us. I do like this downside though. So we had this clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would love to take to this downside here. Looks like we did establish a nice top wall here, points of contact, but we don't have a nice bottom wall here yet. So what I'm looking for is, if we can build a nice top wall, nice bottom wall here, I would love to take it to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing. I would give it, you know, another few days to see if we can potentially take that to the downside. So same thing, like we have the empty space, right? So this was just yesterday. In order for me to take it back up, I would need that POTTERBOX. So I can't just, you know, obviously yes, it could just end up going up or going down. But for me, I do like to have structure, and then once we break outside of structure, that's when I like to get into the trades. All right, so that is on. So we did that. TTD. Also, you guys wanted to see. Hold on. What? JOBY. We got to go over Google as well. I'm pretty sure I feel the same way about it. Alright, yeah, you know, I still feel the same way about Google. As much as I like this, as much as I wanted this yesterday, the day before, whatever. Not the day before, but last week. Same thing. This is what I'm looking at here. And so yeah, I wanted this yesterday. Obviously, what I see here is, yes, we do have this clear move up, no consolidation, right? This is what I am targeting to this downside. So let's go ahead and fix that. So honestly, we'll go ahead and restart what I'm looking at. So yes, we do have this clear no consolidation. That's what I want. You know, it's clear as day. You know, I get it. We're all the way at this 202 area. We're just a little bit more in consolidation. I don't want to take that. I'm not going to just, you know, get into a trade just because I want to. What I can personally see is, yes, we do have a nice top wall there. Also, decent bottom wall here. So yeah, right under us, we have points of contact. Two body candles closing directly with the same line. If we can. And yeah, that's if we can do it. I would love to see if we can break down and going to our next resistance. Yes, our next resistance will be here. Personally, I would definitely try to leave a runner down there, though. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Right now, where are we at? We are inside of more consolidation. So, I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait on that. And, yes, you can even ask the members. And, yes, I just want to show you the charts. I'm going to go to a random chart to something completely random. It doesn't matter. It's going to be some random chart. And I'm going to show you that each trade inside of our Discord is exactly the same. You can see, yes, I call out pretty much everything. And I tell the members what I want, what needs to happen for us to get those entries. Once we can get them, cool, great. If we can't, that's also fine as well. Obviously, you know, I love trading the Qs. But yeah, also, you can see we have Tesla. I like trading Tesla. We're outside the box, we take the trade. If we don't have the trade, I don't get into anything. And yes, you can see pretty much how we call out setups. If it hits, cool. If it doesn't, that's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can even see more trades, 24-hour swings as well. So yeah, if it hits, cool. If it doesn't hit, that's fine. You see even this little QQQ play for the aftermath. You can see what one member did there on those, you know, plays that we ended up having. QBT, yeah, things of that sort. But yeah, anyways, we'll keep on going here. Let's see. Oh, honestly, JOBY doesn't look too bad. 1 second here, 1 second. It actually doesn't look terrible. Give me a second. What I can see here. 1 second. JOBY. So it looks like. Hold on. So yeah, it looks like we did end up breaking under our bottom wall here at the end of the day. If we do continue, we do have all of this empty space. You know, that looks absolutely fire, looks absolutely amazing. But it's all depending on this bottom wall. So I get it. Yes, it looks like, oh yeah, once we just break outside the wall here, boom, we get in. But this bottom wall, this is where buyers have control. So I would need buyers to get exhausted so we can get that push down. It looks good. It looks great. I'll definitely keep an eye out on this one to see if we can potentially continue to get that push. So yeah, I do like that a lot. All right, so that is on JOBY. Yo, Michelle, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And Sierra, thanks for the follow as well. All right, so AMD. Let's take. Actually, we have AMD. Also HD. We'll pull that up as well. All right, so AMD. Let's take a look here. I think I still feel the same way about it. I get it. This chart will look a lot more confusing, but still gonna have the same concept pretty much. And yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling any of you guys and gals to get into any plays. I'm not into any of these plays. Only building watch lists and only looking at stocks. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. And if you even join my Discord, even if it's the free chat or the VIP chat, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yo, Chavo. So Cisco and BBAIW Day. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. All right, so I do see two things here. So I get it. Yes, top all there. My original wall was right here, so I get it. We do have this empty space here, so yes, clear move up, no consolidation. And this is what I would want to this downside here. So yes, we're in this Potter box. Am I going to take a trade here? Absolutely not. We're inside of consolidation. You can easily see, yes, sellers took control, push price down. What I'm looking for next is if we can break under this bottom wall here, where's the next resistance? Personally, it's down here. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation. So another box. So in other words, we are, or at least I'm trading from one box to the next box. And that's pretty much it. Yo, Lucky, what's up? So can I ask what indicator you use for that? So I don't use any indicators. I mean, obviously, yes, I'll use this. So I'll, bring this over here. But yes, we do have, so I use what, a rectangle. So just a rectangle and a horizontal line. So yeah, that's all I use. Yo, Meyer, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Yo, Gibson, can you tell me what the ticker is, and so I can type that in? So yeah, no worries. But yes, I use a horizontal line and a box. That's it. Box, rectangle, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. Obviously, yes, channels here and there. But that's all that I use. So you can see in all my charts that I post inside of my Discord, just a box and those lines. I get it. It may sound crazy. It may sound like, yo, what is this dude doing? But you can see, what the other members are doing just off of those little plays, like QBT, before, after. You see, shout out to Wyatt, shout out to one of the members. I can just scroll back and just show some random trades. Could be literally anything. Like, see that POTR play that we had just last week. LOY was amazing. You can see how we call out plays. Literally just a POTTERBOX and the empty space. And that's it. Literally, that's it. You can see on that POTR play that we had, join the VIP for the first time. Got a nice swing. Shout out to Samir. Shout out to, a couple other members as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see also, shout out Gravy Train. See what we do here. And yeah, we take our time on trades, or at least I take my time on my trades. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, you can see what the members and I do. And I post all of my setups. All of my setups I post. Yes, we do swing trades and day trades. Swing trades, they're going to be last hour, the end of the day. That's when we get in. We had Roblox, that was yesterday. Also, we had Tesla. And you can see how I called that out. You see what one member did on that RBLX play. And yeah, if it works, cool. If I have to get stopped out, that's perfectly fine too as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So how much is it to join? Dude, honestly, if you don't even have to join my VIP Discord. Honestly, you can just join my free chat, see how you like it. You can, watch how we pretty much do things. But yes, links in the bio for the Discord. But if you do want to join it, which you don't, have to at all. But we have like 29 a week. There's 100 a month, and then there's lifetime and the yearly as well. But honestly, yeah, the free chat is there if you do want to end up joining. Or if you don't want to do any of that, I'm also on live pretty much every day as well. All right, so HD, let's take a look here. So look at MD. All right, so MD. You want it to go over, so we got to go over TTD. We did Google. What else? Hold on, let's see. WDay, CSCO. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these charts and trades here. So, same exact thing. This is what I like here, which, doesn't look too bad. I get it, yes. Empty space. I can see that we tapped perfectly into this empty space. So yeah, we had a nice, beautiful tap. So we went down. We touched that first TP. But this is where the imbalance is. We ended up taking that imbalance and skyrocketing back up. Honestly, it looks like, and no, I didn't end up getting into this one, but it looks like both ways those contracts may be, cooked for sure. If we do end up continuing, I could potentially see us touching that 407 and that 411, but still doesn't look bad for a regular entry. So let's go ahead and fix this up a bit. But yeah, if we can still get that nice break under this bottom wall here, we do have an empty space that is currently under us. All right, W Day also, MD. We'll take a look at Cisco. So yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades. Oh wow, what the world? All right, so let's take a look. Well, I haven't even taken a look at IWM or anything. So yeah, I got to look at a lot of other trades. Can I take a look at Oprah? Yeah, no worries. Oprah, NVDA, cool. And Open Door, yeah, no worries. So MD would go over TTD, Cisco, WDA, and then we'll look at Open. All right, so MD. Let's see. Let's go to a what? Let's go to a weekly time frame first. All right. I will be completely honest. This is just what I'm seeing here. Maybe even hold on a 1 month chart. Let's see. Don't want to BS anything. I do want to look at pretty much everything. All right. So, all right. Yeah. Same thing here. What am I looking at? Pretty much same trade each day. All right. Cool. Got it. So I get it. This may look a little bit confusing, but let's just break it down. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So yes, what do I see here? Top all there, bottom all there. And I will be honest, not the best top wall. I wish there was more points of contact. But yeah, as you can see, yes, empty space there. If we can somehow get that closure above, I do like that 1774 area. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. For me at least, obviously, yes, we're in consolidation. Yes, you guys and gals may see, the charts differently than I do, which is, perfectly fine. I just do, what I'm comfortable with, what works for me. And yeah, I just wait for my trades. Obviously, yes, early entries are, perfectly fine. And I try those here and there too. But once we get those clear entries, that's when I pretty much take those. All right, so now MD, TTD. I think, yeah, there's something here, but I do want to start fresh on this as well. And it still doesn't look bad. I still like it. It still looks good. Thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the likes as well. Really appreciate it. So it looks like we're still inside of this area of consolidation. I do want to see if we can get a nice clean break above that 55.22 area. Personally, for me, I would love to see if we could potentially close above. So yes, I do like to try starters on a lot of positions, especially the ones I'm more comfortable on. But for me, I do want to see if we get that break. Unless it shows me some clear strength on a lower time frame and I can take it there. But for me at least, I do want to see if we can get that nice clean break. Are you doing options? So yes, in my Discord, we mainly do options. Obviously futures is decent too, but yeah, mainly options. So all these trades, what we did yesterday, options, and you can see what a few of the other members end up saying. The results speak for itself. Shout out to Sonia. Shout out to a few of the ladies there. You can see shout out to QWERTY as well. I've been in VIP for a while. And you can pretty much see. And obviously, yeah, you can read it yourself. You could go to the testimonials and scroll up and see, look at more trades, what we do here. Obviously, yeah, I'm not going to say, oh, I win every trade. No. If I have to stop out, I promise you I will, because once we get those clear entries, you can see why we wait. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so that was on TTD. We did MD. I like that. UNH. Also, Affirm. Yep, no worries, my guy. And then we got to go over what? Cisco. I will be honest. Yeah, we had a nice clear move up, no consolidation here. And yeah, we ended up getting a nice clear break down underneath this wall. I get it. We toyed around with it, but we finally went into this empty space here. No, I'm not in this play. I will be completely honest. But let's go break this down on a lower time frame because it looks like, yeah, we do have a little bit of upside. Hold on, give me a second here. All right, so cool, got it. So now let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Let's see here. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. I get it. Yes, we had that clear, strong drop. Now we created more structure. So yes, this is the structure I like. As you can see, yes, we are inside of more consolidation. Actually, you know, this is another box too, so we'll go over that in a second. But if we can break above our top level, our top wall here, I would be looking for the next resistance. Personally, which would be up to what, this green candle there. So yeah, as you can see, yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, so yes, the direct middle is exactly what I want. So right now, both ways we're in consolidation. Obviously, if we break under this box here, so yes, there can be boxes inside of more boxes. I'm looking for the next resistance, so there's also empty space here that I can see. So we break under there. Good. And I get it, that's a small move, nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Yo, Leah, what's up? Thanks for the gifts, really appreciate it. Good to see you once again. All right, so yeah, that is on what? Cisco, I do want to look at, so what, UNH, W day. All right, where is the Q's at right now? So the Q's, so hold on, just taking a look at all these trades here. Tesla still could end up targeting to the upside. I just don't, I will be honest, I just don't want to take that little move there. 2 hour, okay, that 1 hour looks good though. 338, 340. Okay. All right, so one second. So the Tesla Qs, we'll go over this. W day. Yo, 1-800, what's up? Good morning to you all. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. All right, so W day. Let's go. Yeah, let's go to a weekly chart. Honestly, let's have a fresh start. I think I do see something here. Let's take a look. PBCB made me $2,000 yesterday. Bought it at 424. Shared. Sold it at. Dude, fireman. Yeah, keep up the great work, bro. All right, so as of right now, this is what I see. I get it. We do have a little bit empty space here. Personally, the move that I like, and yes, I even see a little bit of no consolidation here. What I like is this. So yeah, as you can see, yes, nice top wall here, nice bottom wall there. We end up breaking above our top wall. We do have this empty space here as well. So if we can get this nice break, I don't see any resistance till up to here, which honestly looks good, looks great. But as of right now, for me at least, I'm not going to touch anything. I get it. We could end up still continuing up, but until I can see we can get that clear break, I personally won't touch it. That's just what I'm seeing. Oh, they got, oh wow, that's crazy. MU called an upgrade. INT CEO, just what's up? WMT Robin, what's up? Good to see you as well. Can you explain what is in your Discord again? So yeah, basically in my Discord is pretty much all of my setups. So yes, we have the free chat. You can, honestly, you can just join the free chat, see how you like it. We have the general chat. You can see all the, people in here, testimonials. You can see, we have the announcements, things of that sort. But my VIP chat, you can see, yes, we have our potential setups, what I'll be looking for. We have the swing trading alerts. We have, you can even see what swing trading alerts. We have the day trading alerts. We have the lotto plays, earnings plays. I do have a chart down here, or a channel down here, that I post, decent stocks here. Obviously, yes, we focus on our main entries. You can see also we have the news updates as well. But yes, you get all of my setups here, and we pretty much all take the trades together. And if the trades hit, cool. If the trades don't hit, that's fine as well. You can see also yesterday with Tesla, this is what we had here. You can see what? More day trading alerts. If they hit, fine. If they don't hit, that's cool as well. You know, I just let everyone know what I'm pretty much doing, how we get to trades. Obviously, swing trades are going to be, you know, a little bit different. Pretty much same thing. You can see what we did. HOD, this was, what, just last week on, what, Friday or whatever. And yeah, I pretty much let the whole team know what happens. LOI, almost at first TP. And I tell them what I'm going to do. To be honest, going to leave runners, whatever the case may be. HOD, you can see, you know, the befores, the afters, PLTR, final target hit. Obviously, yes, if I have to stop out, I'll be like, okay, guys, I'm going to stop out of the trade. Obviously, you can see, you know, the befores and the afters as well. So, yeah. And then also in the VIP chat, you know, I talk a lot in here. So a lot of ideas as well. And yes, we do have some mods as well that is, you know, helping with the setups as well. So you can see, you know, this is a chat from, or a chart from one of the mods. And yeah, we all just come together and we find the entries together, things of that sort. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And obviously, yeah, if the plays work, cool. If I have to get tapped out, stop losses are, you know, invented for a reason, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, you know, I'm not going to just rush into any plays. All right, so now let's keep going here. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, it's Put Brothers trading server. But I don't know if you can even search it up. I think you just have to go through the link in the bio. All right, so that's there. So the broker, so I use Webull. I also have TradeStation. I do have Robinhood, but yeah, I do like the Turbo Trader. It's great for me at least. Obviously, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. That's just what I do. Obviously, not telling anyone to do anything. But I will say, yeah, those the Turbo Trader does get me in out of trades very quick, and I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so the Qs. Hold on, UNH. We didn't do W Day, did we? I'm not sure. All right, so hold on one second here. So yeah, I don't think we did. So it looks like oh yeah, we did. Okay, so yeah, personally, yeah, I do like that upside there, which looks really good. All right, so where are we at? So IWMs have been playing around too as well. They still look good. Qs, you know, I still like it. Right now, it doesn't look like, you know, it wants to show me anything. As you can see, we've been in consolidation for yesterday and currently still today. So what I'm still looking for is if we can get this nice break above, which honestly looks really good. So yeah, if we end up chopping, I'm not going to take an entry on this. I would only take an entry if we can get outside of consolidation. So yeah, I get it. Yeah, what, yesterday, obviously, yeah, we had a great day. But yeah, we had what, Roblox and also Tesla, 2 winning trades. So those ended up doing great. I wanted a few more, but we chopped all day for the whole entire day. So that meant for me and the team, or at least for me, I'm not getting to anything. There's always going to be, you know, more opportunities for sure. I'm just going to have to be patient and just wait. So yeah, if we end up breaking below this wall here, we do have empty space down to this red candle. So yeah, right now, where are we at? Inside of consolidation. Do want to see if we can get that nice push outside of that consolidation area. Honestly, yeah, that looks really good. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Looks really good. He said, when is Trump not speaking? One second. All right, so Q's downside. Yeah, let me not BS you guys. Actually, okay, I do see the Q's downside. So, okay, maybe I, maybe I lied here. Myra, you got me. You got me. It does look good. I will be completely honest. So the only thing is, I do not like this 1 hour. The 1 hour chart doesn't look good. What I can see on a 2 hour though, and honestly, if I got this one, since I seen how that 1 hour looked, I would want to see if we can get that close. So maybe I'll have to try this harder. Just depends, but for something valid, I do want that nice closure. As you can see, yes. Where are we at? Looks like we're trying to break outside this wall here. We still have this empty space here. So, I get it, yes. Two possible outcomes. We have the upside and also this downside here, which looks really good. So, yeah, we'll have to see. Let me see. Affirm is upside. Let's see. 1 second here. So yeah, I can see above that 79.35 area. We can get that push above. That's what I'm seeing. Honestly, yeah, it doesn't look too bad though. I personally do like that downside though. But yeah, it's just I will be completely honest. On that 1 month chart, it looks good. It looks great. Even on that weekly chart, looks decent too. So hold on 1 second here. Even we can do this. So there is still a little bit of empty space here. Actually, not a little bit, a lot of it, but but yeah, you can see if we can get that break. It looks good, looks decent. So yes, clear move down to consolidation. Entry to exit the literal middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So that's on the weekly time frame. So I would personally wait for that weekly close. Obviously, no, not telling anyone to get into any play, so yes, you all have to do your own research. Looks good. But yeah, so I would definitely keep an eye out on that downside if we can. But if we can get that weekly close above, yeah, it looks pretty decent. Alright, so we'll keep going. Let's take a look. 1 second, 1 second. Alright, alright. Alright, cool. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Going to get me some water. Things of that sort. So yes, I'll be right back here. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Honestly, just join the free chat if you want to. Or if you just want to stick to the live streams, I'm live pretty much every day. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back, guys. All right, so let's see. All right, so yeah, the only thing about the queues is on that 1 hour, it's just not as clear as I would like. That's the only thing about that little setup there. I get it, that 2 hour looks good, looks decent. So I do like that 2 hour though. All right, so now let's keep going. IWM. To be honest, I wanted this one yesterday, but yeah, you know, we were in a little bit more chop, which is perfectly fine. There's just nothing that I can do if we're in chop. Obviously, I could get into a trade, but there's just no reason for me to get in. Obviously, yes, above us we have empty space here. Also below us, we do have this empty space as well. Those are some weird. So yeah, on the queues, I will say. So I'm sorry, I'm still yapping, but the 2 hour looks nice. I wish it lined up on this 1 hour like that. So you can see these are some like very weird candles. So if I end up getting into this one, it's going to be starters for sure. It's not going to be nothing full for me. But you know, if we can get that break for sure. All right, so IWM. We had this box, right? Empty space under us. So right now we're in consolidation. I'm not going to do anything. I'm personally just going to wait for this. What I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, is if we can get this break under this bottom wall. So what, this 226? I would love to see if we can go into that empty space, which honestly looks great. Right now, I just don't see anything that I like. I get it, yes, we're just still in that consolidation. So that's what I'm looking at there. Alright, so that is on IWM. Let's keep on going. MU. Alright, so MU, let's take a look here. It looks like we're still in that box, but hold on one second. So okay, yeah. I see what we have here. I still like it. I still would like this. 1 second here. What? MU. All right. So as of right now, you know, this would I would like this end of day. So yes, I get it. We do have this empty space under us. Clear move up, no consolidation. That's what I like. I like it a lot. As you can see, yes, I can make this box like this, another box there. Yeah, it looks good. We are inside this little consolidation area. I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait. What looks good to me is if we can break under this bottom level here, I don't see any resistance down to this red candle, which honestly looks good. So entry to exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we like. Honestly, I feel like hopefully we don't chop. I feel like it's going to be a great day. You know, shout out Jesus. It's going to be a blessed day for sure. As of right now, we're still inside of consolidation, and personally, it's fine. Like, I get it. Yesterday I wanted to call out 1,000 setups for us. We only had 2. We only had 2 trades yesterday. RBLX and also Tesla. Also, we did well in those. But you can see, yes, we ended up chopping the rest of that day. Did I do anything? You can see, a couple of members. Almost a $2,000 week for me. You can see, glad I joined. But yeah, I will be honest. If there's not a trade, let's just say yesterday there wasn't a trade after we took Tesla. I get it. I was watching the charts the whole entire time, and we just couldn't get in anything else, and that's perfectly fine. You can see I don't rush into anything. So let's see. Yo, UNH. Yeah, no worries. So yes, I'm using the POTTERBOX right now. So yeah, POTTERBOX, shout out to PotterStocks as well to be make sure you give him a follow. So yeah, this is Put Brothers Trading Discord. So Put Brothers Trading Discord. But yeah, honestly, if you do want to join, link is in the bio. Honestly, you can just join the free chat, say hey, like it. We do have the VIP chat, but yeah, free chat is there. Yeah, no trade. So yeah, personally, yeah, I would rather not be in any trade than, you know, to be in a trade sweating, not knowing why I'm in, just because I want to, you know, get into something and, you know, be done for the day. All right, so UNH, you know, I like it. I like it a lot. Right now, we are inside of this POTTERBOX, inside of this consolidation. What looks good to me is if we can get this nice break and close above. And yes, this is what? A weekly chart. So I'm looking for that weekly time frame trade. So if we can, you know, sorry about this, get this, what? Hold on, where are we at? Weekly close above. I do like that empty space. That's what I see. You know, sellers are in control, so you can see where price ended up rejecting. So yes, buyers are at the bottom. Their job is to keep price pushing up. Sellers are at the top. Their job is to keep price pushing down. So hopefully we can get that nice break above. And we do have the empty space, which looks really good. All right, so yo, Linda, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Let's see. I think there might be something here. We'll have to see. Where are we at? Okay. 2 hour. I think the 2 hour. I think I like the 2 hour. The 1 hour, I like it too. 228.72. Let's see. Okay, cool. Yeah, look good. You know, I like it. I like it. What I can see here is this, and you know, it doesn't look bad. So, I get it. We're in. So yeah, all these plays, and honestly, I'm glad we're in consolidation. If you're asking me, I don't really want to, you know, force an entry. I want to be in consolidation right now, and then maybe at open, once we can break outside of these walls, then I can take the trade. So, I remember I think it was last week. We had I had like 3 to 4 or like 2 to 3 setups I was waiting for. They all happened pre-market, so I couldn't get in. So we had to wait, a couple hours for those trades, which is fine too as well. But yeah, you can see, yes, we have the empty space here. Looks good, looks great. I do want to see if we can potentially get that nice closure underneath this wall. So, you know, it looks good, it looks decent. As of right now, I'm just gonna wait on that. So yeah, that looks really good. Yo, Griff, what's up, man? Good morning, bro. Thanks for pulling up once again. Really appreciate it. So yeah, that's on what AMZ in. Looks really good. Where's Tesla at? Tesla. Alright, so yeah, it looks like Tesla is trying for that TP. I do like that 1 hour though. That 1 hour, what? 338. Small move, nothing crazy. Alright, cool. Yeah, that's there. Also, am I going to stay on TikTok live one of these days? Honestly, yeah, I think I will. Maybe I'll maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll stay on live for the first hour or so. I think that would be great. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Each trade is going to, you know, be exactly the same. We don't change, or at least I don't change anything at all. You can see all the setups that we pretty much have here are, you know, going to be exactly like. So yes, empty space. We have exactly what we need. If the trades hit, cool. If they don't hit, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, same trades. They're all going to be, you know, exactly the same. So that's pretty much it. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So I will be on live in another hour or two. So yeah, no worries. So I'll still be trading on in an hour or two. So yeah, if you do want to join the chat, honestly, just join the free chat. See how you like it. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Hope you all have a blessed one. I'll see you guys and gals in a couple hours. So yes, thank you all so much. Have a blessed